Let's see if we on. Let's see if we on.
Adam James abroad.
Let's see if we on.
Orlando escaping the loony bin.
See if we coming up. Okay, we live. Excellent. Oh, my charts ain't up. Let me bring my charts up. All my charts should have been up. But they're not, so.
Yeah, like so nothing like the mid 60s to the high 50s.
Should have been up and gone.
So we'll get some decent, it's gonna rain. Yeah.
Should have been up and going. Now they up and going. Now we up and going. Here we go.
Yeah, look, I mean,
So yeah,
I sort of think that.
let's look at. I'm in the cafe, so y'all gonna hear some music. See what we got overnight. We had this pop pre-market up into the 80s. Pulled back, looked like we trying to keep going. Marked out some. We back up into where I made trades Friday, where I was trading Friday. So we back up in this range from Friday's range. Going to control at 60. One second, pull that up. I like to pull it. I had a 15-minute chart up here also. Charts, come on. All right, so we got this up. I'm gonna put this over here. Always on top. So we got the low, 63, 60, 24. That was the low, overnight low. And this high is 65, 67. We got like 100-point move here. This is what, 15? Let me change it to 60. See what we're looking at. I changed to a 60. But get back inside this range, high volume, Friday's range, back inside Friday range. Going to control is around the same, not too much, 60, 62. So we're back in this range where I took my trades at Friday. And let's see if we can do Fibonacci from the retracement from right now. We'll go from here. We'll just do it. It's not perfect. Just give us an idea where we can try to get back to 64.90, 65. Okay, 65.10. So 64.90 to 65.10. Be some targets I'm looking for. And we got R1 65.14. So back up until yesterday's this area 64.8, 65. $64.65. 65.70. 100% of this. So 65.80, 65 to the downside. Definitely looking at VWAP to the downside. Watching VWAP to the downside. Down to 64.20. For 20 VWAP. Fibonacci level is 64.09. 64 to 64.20 is the low area. So we'll see what this wants to do. We can also check a little higher, a little bigger Fibonacci, wider. If we want to go, if I can find that. Where did I put the line? Here it is, right here. If I can get the line, if I can get the line up a little higher, let me make sure I got it right. We want to go here. I'm gonna put it back. I don't like to move it out the way, but so now we're looking at 38.2 is 64.60. Next target is 64.90, 65.20, 6,500, 64.90, 6,500. We know is going to be that level, 6,500. If this wants to test that 6,500 today. So orders I took on Friday. So we're gonna be eyeing 6,500, 6,590 today. Not sure if it get there, but we can roll over. We can pop with this market. We got some volume coming in, getting a little lower, but it is buying volume. $240. See what the 10 o'clock bar wants it to do. Open up. We got some news at 10:30. We have Fed Chairman Powell speaks at 10:30. So that may move the markets. 4 o'clock we got FOMC. So I'm not going to take any trades until the Fed Chairman starts speaking, because I don't want to get trapped in any position. Don't want to get trapped in positions. So I'm not going to take a trade to after 10:30. See what the market's going to do. Let them settle it down. Because I do not want to get trapped. Okay, and as we know, there we go. I'm trading my own 50,000 Lucid accounts, Lucid Flex accounts, trying to pass those accounts so I can give me a payout. Pass it, then get live, then get a payout. So I got some time. 5 Lucid accounts. But we got some 65, 43, 37. We've been making a little run up, pull back, pop, pull back. Now we got over and under, so we're still in the uptrend, but we had a little pop over, came and took some orders out here. Now we're kind of just in between this 70 and 56, 55. I like round numbers, so I'll be like 50 to 70, 56. 56 with this resistance here, then it came back, became this support. Look like it wants to keep growing. Look like it wants to keep growing. It popped up to 80. We may try to test back this high 81.75. You'll be surprised if we want to get back there. This 10 moving average coming. It's right here. We'll see what the next 10 o'clock bar wants to do. I'm not making any trades till power speaks. We had some divergence here. We had some divergence here. You see, stochastics made a higher high here. This is a pop, but this didn't get higher than this. And then we came again here, made a higher high, but we didn't make a higher high on stochastic. So we got this down divergence here with this going up. So just to show in the line, so from here, stochastics here, you can see that it's going up, but on here it's going down. So that's divergence. Got price going up, stochastics looking weak. So I'm watching the divergence and see if we get up a little bit and then turn over somewhere around 64.90, 6500, and see if it wants to test 65.10, 20. So I'm looking up in these areas to see if it gets here. How may get some pop, and we've been down. On a daily chart, Friday, you go back and look at Friday's video, I talked about this target on his head and shoulders here, and then the next target being this level here, the 60, around the 63.55 area. We came into this area here and bounced off of here, so we may get some chop around here, because we're back in this level, in this area here, where we chopped around between 64, about 64.20 and 6500. Big range, but in this range we've been chopping around. We're back in this structure, consolidation, what you want to call it, and up to this 65 right here, 65.10, what we looked on, what you saw on the 15-minute chart. We get back up to the 65 level. Market is open. Market is open. We are up 61 points this morning. 51 points. We're up 50 points. Back 15, 3 minutes, 240. Okay, all my charts is correct. Low 83.50. We're back where we was Friday, but it was on this red bar and kept pulling back. That was support, that was resistance. I mean, that was support. Now this may become resistance. It's 83 level. So we'll see. Look like you want to test back this high 80. We'll see. Still with 70. We may get to 80. But I'm not taking that trade, not trying to get in this trade. If we get under here, sweep 60. Nope, we didn't. Came like 60 and a quarter. Let's see what I'm looking at with my options. If we go another 50, that's 64.70. 64.70. Oh, I'm moving too slow. 64.70. $64.70, 20 delta. 64.70 is win. Wow, that's close. We were talking about 65.80. 60, well, that was in the ES. $64.85. $65. $64.80 just seems so close. And $64.80, $64.90 just seems so close. If we've been down and we can get a pop up. Just not sure about the options today. Okay, we got the 64.70. Gonna pull back. Great fit. Look like it may want to break 50. Got my copy trader. One contract, 4 points. That was the short I traded Friday. My last trade was from 70 to 60. Break is 50. Like I said, it looks good. 32. 32 is here. Got support on this. Down here. Here we go. Look like. Let's see if it holds below 50. Could be a choppy ride to the downside. Yep, I would like to see a pullback. Point period. Could come back to test VWAP for 22. There we go. Want to see a pullback. want to see a pullback.
I don't, you know, when you're talking about trades, you don't have a game plan here. That's part that part, right? So market strength, market speed, it's on the balance. That's exactly the sort of game plan.
Oh, that's 37. Well, we got bicep, then we put a bid at 34, 35. Put a bid at 34, 35.
We are now up 25 degrees. It's almost 200 angles. Traders down to directions. Many times. And also, like, what about Emini, man? We're not even getting the dog foot yet. You know why? It's $2 right now for that down on Emini. So it's like sitting in your pockets, trying to hold as much as you can, and you know, up your positions. So, you know, we did that today. It's not, you know, like I said, have more chat and on the chip trade video, that trade, as you can see on the time, the finance and the response,
Back into pre-markets at 40. From the pre-market was a break to the upside. Came up 40 and 50. We broke up 40. I was watching 40 and hit a 50, but we got 33, 32 now. Sitting there. And the open is 63.80. 64.12 was Monday's close. Got another 15-minute bar opening up in about 25 seconds. I'm waiting to 10:30. I'm gonna shoot us where it wants the stabilizer go. I'll pop to. We haven't touched VWAP. Low volume node. If the next 10 o'clock bar breaks to 30, That can give us a nice short confirmation and stay below 40. Might do it early before the next 10, before 10 o'clock. I'm gonna test VWAP. I like this forward bar. Testing VWAP. We can come down to the low volume node. This trade.
Some of these big names up. So it's just tests right now. Manufacturing is getting in cheap. We're getting pattern value getting in. So, this is where you might want to have to be hard to say value where these stocks are, but just look back at it.
See if we go over and under VWAP. See how that works out. What we got? We got orders down 12, 10, yeah, 08, 18. I want to see a pullback somewhere and then a continuation down. I don't want to just take the drop. Might miss it. I want to see a pullback and then a rollover. And Powell is at 1030. And these shorts are looking good right now. Shorts are looking good right now. $28 to 18. Next F1 is 63.82. Over under VWAP. Friday's close is 12. We might try to reach Friday's close. We get a bounce off of VWAP here. 25. shit. Let me shit bounce. I wouldn't mind seeing a bounce off of 50. Back off of 50. Shit bounce. A rollover off of 50. And great VWAP. See what I got here. Got this 40 level here. We bounced. We bounced off of 05, 06. We bounced off of 07. And we bounced off of, is that 20? Okay, 12. 12, 5, and 7. 12, 7, 5. Might have some buy between 5 and 12 if we get down that far. Look like we're trying to stay below VWAP. Another break below VWAP. We'll see. But we got the low rhyme note at 22. Don't want to get trapped. So we get the break around, that's 15. It's kind of where I want to be. If I want to trade between this 22 and 12. And see if we get the break of the 15. I'm gonna take a shot. I'm gonna take a shot.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a shot. I'm gonna take a shot. See if we can break 20. See if we can break 20. Yeah, see, took on the 22 to 12. We broke VWAP. See if we can. I don't like the movement, the action that's happening right here. It looks like it's holding, like it's gonna hold. Look like it's gonna hold that 22, and we got orders stepping in. See if it crack or if it hold. Okay, it's cracking. I'm coming to bring my. See if we can get the 4 points. Don't want to test the 18, huh? Don't want to touch 18? 4 points? No? Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. There we go. This is crack, right? I'm gonna move it up. Just get me out.
Target filled.
Okay. I don't like the way it's moving around here. Just wanted to get out real quick on that dump. We got the heck of the support right here. I wanted to break. It's alright. There we go. Now that was my target hit. 22 to 12 would have been 10 points. Let's see a pullback. Let's get a pullback somewhere. Roll over. The flower bar looks heavy. I like the way the flower bar looks, but we can close well. Not the gap. This open would be closing the gap. Open is 63.80. Well, they closed the gap. Then closed the gap. But just coming back down to the close, Friday's close, 12.25. I would like to got the 10 points, but I just took what I can right now. They're gonna 10 o'clock bar. Right there. They're gonna 10 o'clock bar right there. Bar made a move down to to set up for the next bar open up. And that's where it opened up at. If it breaks 13, 12, if it breaks this zone, that'd be good for shorts. We got 30. Probably could have got my trades in before power. Before power opened its mouth. $15.25. This opened up at 17. We get back to the point of control at 40. And we get back over VWAP. 37. So we can get back 37. If we can get back 37, we retrace 30, retrace 2-hour bar. Let me see how many points did I get on that trade. Oh my goodness. I didn't have my copy trader on, so I made nothing. In my Lucid account. In my evaluations, I made nothing because I didn't have the copy trader on. So I'm flat still. I'm using a sim account to copy trade. So the sim is I'm trading on my live. So I got my live connection and then I got my Lucid connection on. My live connection gives me more data. So I got level 2 data with my live connection. So I'm using my live connection to make the trade on the sim account and copy trade with the firm account with my eval. So I didn't get any trades today, not in my eval anyway. I mean in my evals, in my Lucid account. Y'all know what I'm saying. Man, come on, get it right. So I'm not gonna do anything here. I'm gonna go get me a matcha. I'm in a cafe, so I'm gonna go get me a matcha latte. A dirty matcha with hot chocolate to make it a little sweet to give it, take over the bitter taste. Get rid of the little bitter taste of the matcha, so I use hot chocolate, make it a little sweeter. So, dirty matcha with hot chocolate. And coconut almond or oat milk. Open on the view, I'll be right back. Okay, my guy stepped off for a minute, so has to wait. He stepped off for a minute, so I have to wait till he comes back. Do we get a rollover? A second trade at 22. In between 20 and 30. in between 20 and 30 right now. I'm going to sit on my hands right now. Wait for Powell. Powell. Because Powell going to say something. The market's going to move, let it settle down, find out which way it wants to go, and try to get the right direction without getting chopped out. Here we go. We're going up, maybe 37. That's 37. And maybe not. That's why I'm not in. That's why I'm not going in. I'm not getting bamboozled around here. He back, so I'm gonna go get my lunch. All right, I'm back. Look like we getting a little push, pull back now. Let's see where this market wants to go. See if we just hold around up here and which way Powell pushes this market. We might just hang around here all day until 2 o'clock. Well, Powell might push it out one way or the other, and then we can come back into this area. We below Friday's price action. Some of it, anyway. You got the point of control. It's 27. 27.75. Didn't touch the 37, but didn't touch the 40, but over and under VWAP, just over, under, over and under VWAP. That's this red line right here. This is VWAP, 27.75. This is the question, whether it's going to break 13 and pop, or is it going to try to test 6,400? Which, do I really want to short into 6,400? That is a great question. Do you want to short into 6,400? Might be swimming against the tide trying to short into 6,400. $10 points, but we back over VWAP. This 20 is holding up so far. 20 is holding. What time is it? 10:21. Powell comes on. 10 minutes. And they're gonna show a nice setup where it'd be like, yeah, take it. Right before Powell. Come on. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Do it for the bond. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the bond. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the bond. I ain't gonna do it. So let's go. See what Powell got to say. How y'all like the music in the background? How do you like the music you throw in the background? We haven't come out of this oversold yet either on a 15-minute chart. Mm-hmm. 25. How many minutes we got this cola speed? 8 minutes? This is going to be on the hour, right? I mean, on the 30-minute right here. 7 minutes it'll be. It will be. See, this is. You got wicks at the bottom and we got wicks at the top, but this would be kind of a long over top the trend line, over top of VY. 30 into, you might get a couple of points out here. You can get the 4 points out here, 30, 34, but it's not the same. Pitching will have to turn green to red. Not gonna be able to do it. Can you do it? Look like a nice pattern, but you got 20 moving average right here. Very close. 35. Let's see what power make it do. On the daily chart, we got 40, we got 83. 40s and then in the 80s. This popped from 40 to 80 earlier. That might be letting somebody, it might be a signal to somebody that when power talk, go long, get that 80 back. Let them know, listen, we going to 80. Oh, we popped from that 40, 42 to that 80, 81, pop 40 points. So what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen now? What they wanna do? Let me see. There's a channel. No, not really. It's a lower high. We can try to find a channel. Maybe if we can get a channel here. How that look? That look like a nice channel where started up the channel here, down, come over, come down. If we do, where we trying to get to on the down channel? S1, 83. Isn't 83 around the lows? So we break, if we're gonna break, we may follow this channel. Try to see a channel before it happens. Look what we got. We got 64.21, 63.60. So we got some targets ahead. 83, 63.60. For the downside, the upside is 60, 21 to 60. So we got some trading in here. We got some orders in here. Some trading in here. So it's not open like this where we just have, but we did make these moves early, but I wasn't comfortable taking them without getting chopped out myself. So I'm just waiting. We still got some time. We had this channel up here, broke it down to VWAP. Wonder if we break this 14 and get back down to this 83 level, which is here. We have to break 6,400, which is going to be very strong psychological level. That's 64. If they want to keep the market up and don't want it to happen. Well, don't want us to benefit. They want it to happen, but may not want us to go with it when it happens. So we got this trend break here, and then I made another trend, possible starting channel, not a trend, starting channel, and see if that works. I've got a break here, but not right before colon, no, not before colon, right before colon. Did he talk yet? Did he say anything? Did he say anything? Two, one, but did he start speaking? He might be on the podium now. Got a little flag here. Look like Powell talking. Nothing much. Okay. Look like it may get a pop to the upside. Maybe. Or fake out. We'll see. Right now we just in here. Point of control 27, but it's also around VWAP. Come back, test the 50s. Come back into the 50. 56, 57. No direction yet. No direction. Let's see the direction. Yeah, let's see the direction. They playing around with that 30. They playing with it. They playing with it. Stop playing with the 30-30, 64-30. Up in this area where it was hanging out overnight, about 3:30. Didn't want to go to bed hanging in this area. 23 and 34. Look like it wants to go up. Look like it may want to move up. I don't want to take the first move. I don't want to be the one getting trapped. Just don't want to be the one. I do not want to be the one. Or the two. Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Look at that 25. Go to 25. Hold it, held 25. Still no direction. We still got this support here at this 18, 16, 18. Where can we get 10 points at? 27 to 16, 30 to 40. Or early, like 22 to 12. Well, we didn't even touch the 12. We came 13.75. It's cracking. It's breaking. It's cracking. It's gonna be clean break or more chop. I see more chop. More chop. More butter, more chop, more chop. More chop, more chop. I can get some of these off of here. Look at that. Look at that. Back into this area. Look at that. Look at that. I don't want to get chopped up like that. This high is 26. Low is 19. 6 point pop. 6 point pop. 6 point pop. 1950. This goes 19. We didn't take this low out. 13.75. 20 and 30 is holding. Just move this out a little bit like this. Just give it the breathing room the way it's breathing. The way it's breathing in here, which selling off here, buying up here in the range. I don't want to trade the range. I do not want to trade. Look at this 15-minute bar. Wicks on both sides. Wicks. Well, made low. It's making lower. Came in. That might be the squeeze. They got some stops out here to push it above 30. Over VWAP. Over and under VWAP. Over and under VWAP. Which side is the squeeze on? Who's going to get squeezed? The longs or the shorts? Who's going to get squeezed? The longs or the shorts? Maybe nobody. Maybe it just goes sideways for the rest of the day. Who's going to get squeezed? The longs or the shorts? He's sitting on his 17 and 20. He's sitting on that level. And it got a bullish tone to it. Why does it have a bullish tone to it? Why does it have a bullish tone to it? Daily bar is green. 4-hour bar is green. That's a bullish tone to me. Do we get the 30 push here? I'm not gonna say. We haven't made any higher highs. 35, 34, 32, making lower lows. $20 is holding. I would like to see this turn green to red and then back green. Come get these orders, this liquidity under here. That'll show some strength to the buy side. We go low, 1375. Right. Check it out, 20. There's that 20. We could break the low volume node. Trading into 6400 is not my ideal trade. Trading to a psychological area is not my ideal trade. It's not my ideal trade. And it looks good with this break. Got 84, but just not my ideal into 6400. Got to pull back, reverse, not reverse, but continuation. That's what it looks like. Pull back, continuation to the downside. But we getting 6.5. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red. And then maybe this is green. As it goes, gets back over 20. 2150. Starting the barcode. We have another 15-minute bar at now the question is, do we follow this trend line here, or we follow the bigger trend line channel, not trend line channel? Let me get a 60-minute. Let me take this and see if I can give it some better use. See if we got a bigger channel somewhere. See if we got a bigger channel. Maybe no, don't really got, not anything that's you know, connecting like here. I like to kind of even, we'll be touching. But we'll see if we're in a smaller channel or a bigger channel. We broke. While I'm trying to talk about channels, we broke down. We broke down the low 14, this low 1375. We came back and tested this low. We didn't break it though, not yet. 1375, haven't broken. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Another 15-minute bar. Oh, there we go. Opened up. It's just coming down. 1375. Or do we get a bounce? Just closed at 1750. Now we see if there's weakness here. This was a rollover, but look at the rollover. Look at the rollover. Look at that rollover. We did have a top of 34, but 34, 35. It's choppy rollover. It's consolidated rollover. Wicks on both sides. Now we come down testing, get a pop over 20. $20.75. It's $20.75. $20.75. Is it holding, or is it? Or they're gonna? Okay. They pop over 24.7, over 20.75. We almost coming into like a flat bottom break. We almost here at a flat bottom break if it wants to go down. Look at this. Pop right up. Back to VWAP. I didn't buy anything and sell anything, right? Did I made a mistake and just touched it? Nope. No positions, okay. Still haven't broken, still haven't made higher highs. Came and tested that low. Making lower highs, popping. That 20 was what I was talking about. Coming down Turning red to green and then green to red. This high. Look at that. Look at that. That green to red. Okay, so now it made new high. Now it came in. Well, not this high, but it came up and got higher than these bars here. 35.50. Didn't hit the 40. Now they're gonna squeeze these orders out. Maybe they needed them to squeeze out. But we're at the bottom of this channel. Maybe we bounce off the bottom of this channel and move up and roll over. $30 and VWAP. Holding over point of control, 27 so far. 27, 20, 27, 75, 28. Could be a double bottom here. A double bottom. 1, 2. How many times we came down here? 1, 2, 3, down here 4 times. We've been down here 4 times. This is a double bottom. Didn't catch that green or red here. I was hoping that it would go lower a little bit, but it came low at this 15. Yeah, it came low at this 15, but it didn't get this red bar. Thought it could possibly get this red bar. If it keeps going, it's going to get some. Didn't get above this 37, but we got above this area here. Over, under, over VWAP. Trying to hold this 20 here. Could probably get 20 to 64 if it breaks. But the red, we got the red ball and we got a green ball and the daily green ball on the 4 hour. Keep popping. Keep popping. Look at this. Ready to go on the go. This fall bar might not do anything. between the low volume node, point of control, and VWAP. Just here. Just here. And been around here for the whole first half of the morning, first half of the trading session. VWAP, that's just 27. VWAP, point of control. $30. Maybe we want to take a trade over this 30. Let's see.
Order filled.
Let me see if I'm on the right side. Might be. Let me see if we're on the right side above this 30, or if we get a nope. Maybe not. Low on here is 25. Nah. Nope. Okay. I'm playing in the chop. I need to stop. I'm trying to play in the chop. I need to stop. Guess what? I was with my again. I'm not making any trades on my account. What am I doing? That was good that I did, but the copy trader wasn't on. Hey, look. Sometimes it works against you. Sometimes it works for you. I think this is it. I'm gonna wait for the next 15-minute bar. I'm not. This 15-minute bar may set up because once it gets close in a couple of minutes, it'll make a move to set up for the next bar. It could pull back or it could push higher. But this is looking like it can go higher. We got green here, green here. We got resistance up here. But I was just trying to get 4 points. 30 to 34 looked like something that could have happened. But it didn't happen on this bar. There it is, 32. And there go to 32, 33, 34. There it is. But thought it might be that bar. Like the way we was above the point of control, we had a pullback bouncing off the VWAP, so we got a double bottom, this bar here, pullback and then make new lows and broke above this bar. Got in the bar early. Timing. Gotta have the right timing. So see, this bar made 15-minute bar made a move right before the next bar is gonna open up. So missed the trade. We still getting resistance up here. It's 38, 40. bar too early. A bar too early. $50, 40 to 50. We got VWAP here. I mean, not about 50 and 51. 50 period moving average, and then the pivot point at 51. So we squeezing the shorts out. They got the little liquidity under here. Now we squeezing these shorts out. Are they trying to push it back to this 80 or up in that area? Got volume coming in. Bounce off this trend, double bottom. Oh. Let's see if we get the top of the trend, 60. Roll over. Look at our 15-minute bar. Look like we're pushing. This low is 42. I like that, and then we'll break the 50. This low is 42, and we'll be breaking the 50. How far can we go? We get back to 37. Let's see if we can go up some more. See if we can get up to the 50. Okay. Didn't get them longs in. Didn't get those longs in. $47.50. Where we going? So we get 50. We get 50. Could get past and get back up to the high volume node at 56. Of 36 points. 47. Getting up to the 50. We can get up to 59 if we keep pushing. See if they want to pop through the 50. I was usually be shorting this 50, but I don't want to do this on the first. On the first, or do I? Let's see where that's going. If they're going to break the 50. Testing 50. Testing 50. Okay. Tested 50, 49, 48. Really trying that pivot. 50 is that pivot level. $50 quarter, 50.75. Trying to hold. Trying to hold. 49.50. Okay, it's over 50 again. Pressing 50. 51. Made a new high 51. What's the low one here? 48. Trying to hold 50. We get over 50. 51. $52. Another 3-minute bar opens up in about 15 seconds. If we break this 58, I want to take it before the 58, but I don't want to get ran over with. There it is.
Order submitted.
There it is. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order
I want
filled.
2 orders.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Break even. I'm gonna get that 4 points. That's it. I'm not trying to get a bunch of points. Just a 4. Come on. See if we get to 4 points. I'm in that map. And there we go. Got the 4. That's
Order
it.
filled.
May could have got that 10, but I just wanted the 4. We may pull back. So just wanted to get something on the board today. 47. We could get 37. Back to this open here. Okay. Just wanted to get something on the board today. This is a dragon pattern. Come down, legs, come up, dragon. Now the dragon pattern is a bullish pattern to go higher. So let me see, I was in at 38, 37. Yep, 10 points. I would have got the 10 points here. Now give me 20 of these ranges, 17, 20, 38, 40. 20-point range is 20 or 40. Came to the top of the trend line, channel, top of the trend line, which I have this channel marked off here. This channel. So let's see if top of the channel, bottom of the channel, top of the channel. Now we go sideways a little bit and chop around before we go up or we go down. Chop around before we go up or we go down. Nice 3-minute bar. 48, lowest 34. Definitely had my 10 points right there. Only took 4. Six on the table. Had two good trades and one bad trade, or one losing trade. Not bad, but 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. But the first trade I made and the second one was not on the my Lucid account, so it don't count. Now I'm following this channel, double bottom, top. We either go sideways and test the bottom and bounce back up, or we go up. But right now we just in this channel here. And inside the channel is also the high volume node, the low volume node, and the point of control, all in the channel. That's 184. I got 4 points. These ticks it. I did one contract. I did 184. Did I move? No, I didn't move it up. Let me see something. Because it should be right. No, that's not the one. One contract, 4 points. Oh, stop loss 17. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1 tick is 17. Slippage, man, slippage. That should have been 200. I don't know how I got $15 slippage. That 4 points shouldn't have been 187. It should have been 200. What time is it? It's 11:13. Almost time for me to go, and haven't made any options trades yet. 20 cents, that's 64.80 is now 20 cents, so I could have did the 64.80, but that was just too close for my blood for the daily bar to reach here. I wasn't gonna play it, and it probably could have, but always got tomorrow. Let me see what options is 20 delta. 64.30. $1.50, 64.30. That means we would have to go up another 40 points, 50 points, 90, 50, another 50 points, which would be up like 70 points, which it's possible. So I don't want to play those. I don't want to play those. The high for the day is what? The high for the day on here is 64.27. We below this Fibonacci at 34, 64.34, but I need some room, and I don't have any room, so I'm not taking any options trades today, so I can close that out. Okay, that's moving kind of slow. Should be closing out. Moving too slow. Come on. Come on. Hey, it's coming down. Market is coming down. Market is coming down. Market is, look at this. Market is coming down. Opened at 32 and started breaking down. Double bottom broke out, popped up to the pivot, coming back down to test the trend line where it broke out from. But even if not the trend line, just the area it broke out from. It's 27.30. Which way is going to get the squeeze? We got the squeeze up. Are they trying to squeeze down or no? Think we get the squeeze down? Or we get the bounce down here? Over and under this 30. About this 29. Keep coming back to VWAP. The high is 33. Back in this area. Back in this area. Kind of like that 30 to 30, 32, 34. Point of control to 34. Point of control to 34. 30, 27, 20, 34. On this range here. And then this range here, 34, 34, right here. Low range. Hanging around VWAP, over under VWAP. Got a pop off of VWAP. Came right back down into it. Trying to hold up. Trying to hold up. I like that. We got the red to green. We got the red to green. Possible. Back up to 37. We still got this resistance at 37, 38. I like it, but do I want to take it? What's this high? High is 35. But it's going to give us 2 points up into the 50. And I'm not going to take it. I would like a double bottom. If it hit a double bottom, but then we still in here, you can hit a double bottom around a 20 and then start to break out. But we got this 38 up here. Okay. See how it reacts. 37. Another 15-minute bar about to open up in about 4 minutes. So this bar is setting up for the next 15-minute bar. Let's see what we looking like. Bounce off the bottom, test the top, and we may just start going sideways in here. We just may be going sideways in here. We get back up to the 50. It hit 55. And 38. 2 minutes, we get another 15-minute bar. You're well under control. We've got 2 minutes before the next 15-minute bar opens up. I want to see where this 15-minute bar settles at. Right now we just here. now we just hit, boom. It's hanging around here. Yeah. Over and under VWAP. We got about 30 seconds before another 15-minute bar opens up. Right now we just playing both sides of this 32. Opened up 32, came up 38, and as low as 23. Inside bar, opened up inside this range. Over and under VWAP still. Keep them below 30, but it's trying to hold 30 a little bit. $33. I don't want to play inside this range, so I don't want to play inside this range. I don't want to get chopped up on either side. Let's see where the 15-minute bar wants to go. Beautiful move.
I left the cart there.
We moving up a little bit. Trying to be over 50, huh? Testing back over that 50. Maybe we'll test 60 in the top of this range. We didn't test the bottom of this channel. We came down came back up. Haven't tested the bottom, top bottom of that shit. This high is 55. Question is, do we want to hold over 50? Or are we trying to hold over 50? We jumped at 48 last time. Got order here trying to hold this 51. $64.50. Let's see, we back here $64.50. Wouldn't be surprised if we got a pop. High is 47 and a quarter.
Okay, let's go over here. So we can both sit on the bench. Or take it right now. Look, that's what's important. That way you can look out the window. Do you want to crawl down the bench?
Top. Top here. We might get 40 back to 30. Yeah. We just 47, between 47 and 37. Listen, may stay in this channel. Haven't broke out of this channel yet. We go sideways until maybe the end of the day. They'll make a move. Right now, it looks like we're making, well, not look like, we are making higher lows. Do we get a flat top breakout or rollover? No trade for me here. 15-minute bar just opened up. $39.25, but now this might be support at this 37. It might be. Let me get back into this 30 area. I'm gonna see if I can take the 39 to the 39 to, let's see, the 39 to the 30. Not sure, but I'll keep my, as I know, once it starts moving down, I keep my positions tight. We got some orders coming in here at 35, so okay.
Order filled.
I kept it tight. We had orders coming in at 35 here. So we might get back down to VWAP 39, get about, try to get 10 points, 9 points. At least the 4. The 4 at 35, but it may happen, but you know. A lot of back and forth around here. There we go. So we back. Back in this 12 bar range. Got to trade just a little early with the shaking. Back to VWAP. That was the trade, but just move my stop tight like I always do. So I want to see the flush. I don't want to see that shaking back and forth. VWAP, back to VWAP. Over and under VWAP for a minute. All day, over, under, over, under, over, under. Bounce off the VWAP, which is nice bounce off VWAP. Now we back to it. We back at it. Just been going here, came down, sideways, pop, came back, pop up. Each time I took 2 trades, and each time I got the 10-point move, but this one I took 4. I didn't get to take the 10-point move here because I moved my stop early. Then wanted to pop up and just keeping it tight. I'm in the range today, just keeping it tight. Sometimes I'm gonna get stopped out, you know, with a right below break even. Sometimes it's gonna flush. This 30 to 34 has been working. Buyers been stepping in at 30. Been selling off at 34, 35, like 34 to 37. In this range, 30 to like this this little range here. Right off this split right here. Down from 30, 34. But we'll see where bouncing off the 50, and then we got VWAP. But right below all that, we got point of control. We got low volume node. So we may go sideways in here in this channel. We're still in the channel right here. We still in this. We came up. We in this minor channel. Looking at a bigger channel that could be, you know, it could be here. We got a bigger channel. Let's see. Just make it a little bigger just so they can be seeing. I'll change it up. Make it a little thicker, Looking at this bigger channel here. Now, try to see. See how I look on the 60th minute. Look like it could be a bigger channel down. Came up, came test, roll over, consolidate. Can go higher or it can roll over. And we're right here at 60, 621 and the fib level. 6360 is the next fib level. And then we have a minor channel that we could be in today, break out or just stay in and come back down somewhere. At 2 o'clock, we might try to get a test of 6,400. 2 o'clock, 2:30, might try to get a test of 6,400 maybe. Or the low, or back at the low, 6,414. We'll see. That's how it looks. That's on the hourly chart. Go back to the 15-minute here. Look like bouncing off a VWAP again in that 30. $30 to 34. A 4-point bounce. And those 4-point bounces. Got this bar here, open 32.25. Indecision bar. It's in the middle of 32. Low is 23 and the high is 38. $33. VWAP and above 50. Should be a nice bounce above this 32. Do we get a head and shoulders pattern? Shoulders, head and shoulders, or shoulder, head and shoulders for the break? Told you we got a flat top break coming over 50. 51.52. Let me see what I got. Shouldn't have much, but I'm over 200. Yeah, that's good. Hey, look. I'm not mad at anything. This green one contract today. Looking at guys moving, we just looks like a nice double bottom. It's like a nice double bottom. Actually, boom. Bring it out some, and you can see, we can see, okay, we got a bigger space that we range, a bigger range that we're in. Got here, got here. I'm just in this range. Okay. Another 15-minute bar. And we're at the low, but we're around this 32. We're low, higher low. 23, higher low. 27. Shoulders, head, make another shoulders and come down. We make another shoulders. If we do, what is this high? This high is 52. Break it as low as 27. 27, 37, 47, 81, 61. 22 points. So that would put us at 15. 22 to 15. So 07. Low is 27. Minus 22. 24.05. Can that happen? Will it do it? Should I take it? Is 22.05 possible? Is that a good look? Is 22.05 a good look? Do we see a 22.05 break on a head and shoulders pattern? I mean, 22.05, 64.05. The low is 27. This low is 27. We'll have a break of VY. We'll be in this area, but maybe we can be ready to break this area. Made a high, double top, higher low. A high of 136. What we say? What we say? Head and shoulders? Shoulders, head and shoulders, or shoulders, head and shoulders? Double shoulders? This is coming out of oversold. This is looking like weak, going down and back down. If this come up and roll over, we could possibly get some momentum, stay below here, and have some weakness. We got to get below point of control, and we got to get below the node 20, 20, 20. If it fell, it fell, but it may be worth a try. Maybe worth a try. Maybe worth a try. This is the neck break to 27. Looking at 64.05 if it happened. Looking at the move back down to the lows and a break of the lows to 05. Is this where we are? Is this where we are? Is this where we are? Bouncing. Took out the low. 27.75. Low 27.25. 27.25. 27.25. Is this what we doing or no? 27.25. Into this level here. Into this level here, 27. The open 29.50. Look. Pop. Point of control. Pop. Back over BY. I would like to see that pop, right? And then it fell. I would like to see that pop. And then it fell. Before it did a pop back to BY. Next 15-minute bar may open up and come down. May give us some weakness. May give us some weakness. If it's going, it's not going easy. There we go, 26. It's still bouncing. Still bouncing. If it go down, it's going down. It's going down. Bouncing down, bouncing. I don't want to get trapped myself. I don't want to get trapped, so. I do not want to get trapped. Who they squeezing out? Who they trapping? Long to the short. For the most part, it's been holding up. Is it time for the downside? We've been holding up. We got this low, 27.50. Look like it may be going. Is this where it goes? Okay. Look like it may be going. Let's see if it's still bouncing. How much it bounced? Oh, 25. Bounce off to 25. Got these levels down here. It's going. It's going. It's not going soft. If it's going, it's not going soft. Will not go softly. We got orders up at 28. Maybe it's gonna come back. Are these ghost orders or spam orders? Real orders or what? Do they want those orders at 28? Alright, they disappeared. Those orders disappeared. Since they disappeared, let's go down.
Order submitted.
They disappeared. Let's go down. Give me a 25. No.
Order
I
canceled.
think we going. We going, bud. We going. We're not going down nice. $30.20 wasn't too nice. Head and shoulders break at 27. 05 is the 05 is the target. 64.05 is the target. Missing the move. I didn't take the 27 break. That's what I should have took, the 27 break. Should have been in that 27 break. Next 15 minutes about to open up. Hopefully, let's see if it pulls back and then rolls over. Let's go at 18.7. I should have been in at the 27 break. That was my short for the head and shoulders pattern. Didn't take it. Three, two, one. And dip down right below this. 1875. It moved up. Low volume, no bounce. What's this high? 21. Where we going? We down at this bottom here. Bounce off this low. Off the 20. Seven was the breakdown. Maybe we get back to the 27. Roll over. $22. Now we can come out of here and roll over. But yeah, this was that trade, was that short. 27. We didn't get 10. We got 18 and a quarter, but I would have took the 4 points. We got back to 25. We still got 20 points from the break. 22 from the 27 break. We still got 22 points if we get 64.05. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I don't know if we ready. Don't know if we ready. Don't know if we ready. Look at the rollover. Don't know if that rollover is ready. Maybe I could have waited, but we can get a pop first. But it don't mean it's ready yet. It could still squeeze some traders out like me. It's not rolling over. I'm gonna keep my stop tight because it's not rolling over. I keep my stop tight. The high of this bar is what, 23? I'm gonna keep it tight. Yep, it got. We out.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm out. What I'm looking at. I don't want to give everything I got back. I'm at 12.5, 193. Not bad. I didn't give much back. Didn't give too much back. Not trying to give it back. So now this is where they may chop before they go up and down. That's all right. They said they see this. We in the oversold also. Could show strength if it stays down here. Weakness, not strength, but weakness to the downside. Don't want to start getting chopped out here. Don't need that. Don't need it. Don't need it. We're back to 27. Breakdown. It up, trying to support it down here, 23.75, 23.75. About 30. And the middle point of control and low volume low. We can get it dropped, we can go. I know that 20. Friday is awesome. Oh, was my copy trader on? I didn't even take that trade because my copy trader wasn't on. I wasn't even trading with the copy. I wasn't trading. we getting right, coming down, we getting right. And here we go. Rolled over. 24. Who wants to squeeze? This is the rollover that I tried to take earlier. I'm not taking it again now. So this was the rollover. You roll over again. Could it be a double bottom? 18. Could be a squeeze. We came below 18.75. Became 18 and a quarter. This low is 14. This is what I'm concerned about. This support here, holding up around 16, 15. That's small. But then if I take that low, I would be shorting into a major support level, 6,400, which I don't care. Okay. Let's see what this 15-minute bar wants to do. 15-minute bar. So we double bottom here and go for a long up back to VWAP. 30 been holding. I'm gonna see what it wants to do. I'm not taking either way because they can go down, they can go up. We're above the low volume node, so that can hold. We dip down, close, but pop back up, close, pop back up above it. That's this area here that we holding up. Do we ride this non-train? It's the non-moving average. No trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. Looks like it's coming down. It looks like it may break. So we got wick. It's closing lower, but we got wick, then close lower. We got a wick, it may close lower. Cause look, we got one couple of seconds, 50 seconds. So come down, wick up, close lower. When it let it go, it may go and it may go without me. Breaking the low volume, no, but we still got this low 18.25, this low 1875, this low 1950. So 1950. I would have liked to took a longer 20, low 21. Oh, it only went to 21. Yeah, double bottom. Lower high.
So it's like
Maybe it's gonna squeak. No, it didn't get too high. Did it break this little high? The 25? No, it didn't. Seeing if it's trying to get some liquidity up here. Rejection, then we buy lower. What are we doing here? Over and under 20, 21. We're rejecting these up there. Close lower, close lower, close lower. Close lower. Top, close lower. I'm gonna
take it.
Order submitted.
If I can get the 20, I'm gonna take it. I think we go low. Hope it's not a double bottom right here. Not
Order
getting
canceled.
filled. I think it's going. I think we're going here. Came and got it twice here, but that's it. Okay. Broke low, 1750. $14.50 this low. This low is $13.75. I haven't broken the $13.75. The 6405 is the target, and I think we get it. Oh, 1675. If we get a bounce off the 1675. Looking for this snap, this crack right here. Get down into the 6405. That's the target. We can do it. Just have to crack. This lows 1375. Hey, we got shoulders. Got a bigger head and shoulders. Yeah. We got shoulders, a head, and shoulders, shoulders, a head, and shoulders. Double head. Let's see where we go. We break the lows, or we on. If we break the lows, or we're gonna hold up here. 2 minutes before we get the next 15-minute ball. Down here, we pop and snap back. 35, 17 points here. We snap back. 30 points. So we down here, we're buying, we're getting back 30 points. If we hold, we get going lower, but if we hold here, over 20, wouldn't be bad. Wouldn't be a bad entry. If we get back over 20. Just looking at the longs, just in case it doesn't break. This is 20 to 75. If we get back in this area and stay back in this area, it's possible just to float between the 20 and 30 and not really break. We could, but we'll see. So those are two directions. See if it breaks, pull back and go, or if it holds over this 20, got the low volume node. Do we want to get over the 20?
Order submitted.
Might be early,
Order
but
filled.
I'm looking for some momentum off this bottom. Looking for some momentum. No momentum yet. No momentum off the 20. Can we get this momentum off the 20? Then I stop out, break even. We got to get past 23. We getting momentum. Can we get it? $20.24. Okay, that's good.
Order filled.
Got momentum off the bottom. That was a good trade.
You know what? That's it for the day too. That's it for the day. I'm not trying to take any more. Therefore, just trying to pass. We was holding this node here, low volume node. 4-hour bar wasn't really pressing down, had a lot of support down here. I like 20 as that round number, and it held it, and we was down already and oversold, so I figured we get a bounce. We be down here off the 20 and up above this high is 2075, so that's it. Wasn't trying to get my 10 points, just quick bounce, 4 points, and I'm good for the day. Trying to pass this this combine here, this challenge. So I'll come back tomorrow. Today was a ranging day, nice big ranging day, but we're still inside this channel. We're still inside the bigger channel and a smaller channel. Yeah, smaller channel and a bigger channel. Yeah. So that's it. Been a little, the direction hasn't been too easy to take, but yeah. She goes, and then that's the pop, and it may come back and break. Get these orders out. It may come back and break. Look at this. 05. But I'm done for the day. Let me stop it. Copy trade off. Closing up. Turn my trade off. Copy trader off. Chart trader off. Copy trade off. Chart trader off. And that's it. Don't know where it's gonna go. Chopping up and down till 2 o'clock, and the 2 o'clock 4-hour bar may roll over and then give us that downtrend. I mean, not downtrend, but that move back into 81 or somewhere 6,400 or below. Look, it may want to go. But it's not going right. No trade for me. I see y'all cutting it off.